Hello everyone. Inflamed, irritated gums often bleed and cause pain. This is because they are infected with gram-negative anaerobic microbes, and what these patients need is a thorough cleaning of their pockets along with therapy targeting these very bacteria. We bring to you MXL Gel, which has chlorhexidine and metronidazole to fight all kinds of infections topically, and lignocaine for pain relief. MXL Gel can be used as an effective adjunct to your treatment, transforming irritated, inflamed, infected gums to their former healthy state. Doctors can prescribe MXL before starting treatment, during treatment, and post-therapy for quicker and happier results. For more such videos on everything dental, follow us on our social media accounts.